Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Philips BHC010 hair dryer that I bought from Amazon. This hair dryer has multiple features. The first feature is the cool air setting that allows you to dry your hair at a relatively low temperature, reducing damage to thin hair. The second feature is Thermoprotect. This setting provides the optimum drying temperature and ensures greater protection. And the third feature is high temperature. This is useful for a quick hair drying. This small part is used to direct the air and help you while you're drying your hair. It contains manual in multiple languages and shows how to use it in a safe way. As you can see, here is the product itself. It's very small, very light, and very easy to use. I like the design. It has 3 pre-selected drying settings. It's simple and foldable. You can see the size compared to the hand. It's very small and very light. Although it's light and cheap, it feels like a premium quality. Here are the 3 options that I mentioned earlier. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye!